I've got some great news. Ricky Cockcroft at R. Cockcroft Painting has nearly finished the tonneau to go back on this car. So that's really exciting for me. So I'm going to go up to his place near Ripon in Yorkshire on Tuesday night to pick the tonneau up after work, and sometime over the week after that be able to put the tonneau back on and get this car finished. The end of another restoration project will have taken about 9 months. As a taster, as a teaser for that visit where I'll speak to Ricky, I've just included a few shots of the work that he's done in this video, and I hope you can enjoy, and you'll see more after next Tuesday. Enjoy.